can fly like an angel or an alien, chariot of fire. If only I could use all my brain, I could fly or heal or fly or heal. I am Joan of Arc. Yes, I shave my head. Hair won't define me, and neither will I allow the insecurities of any man or woman. So you should just love me and accept me for me, because I promise I'll love you and accept you for you. I don't eat pork, no sweat glands. Abrasive and direct language like my mountains I'm raised around. Curse you out like a sailor and then tell you Jesus loves you. Nice and decent on your mama's tongue, but never curse you wishing anyone to hurt you. Been classified as a revolutionist a time or two. Malcolm X educated, we both Taurus Geminis. A soldier of God of war, 'twas day. A warrior for peace. Warrior for peace. Warrior for peace, yes, an oxymoron. I've accepted this word that others use to describe me. So maybe, yes, I am a little crazy. Because I do love with all my heart, don't understand why others don't. Can't love like me, be loyal like me, open like me, feel like me. I feel your spirit and your mother's spirit. I feel your spirit and your mother's spirit. I am your dream catcher. Let me hear your dreams and wishes and dreams and wishes. Mine, they can come true. Mine have, even though society would say no because I'm not financially success as the next person, but money is the devil's ways to trap us anyways. Never can you call me materialistic, but crazy? Yeah. Come whisper your fears to me. I'll pray your doubt away. Let me lay my hands on you. My energy will clear you. Can you listen to my heartbeat? Let me lay my head against your chest and feel your heartbeat. Hear your heartbeat. Beating and beating. Hearing your heartbeat reminds me of Africa. Truly we are all African. Even those who believe they come from the Caucasus Mountains best believe you are from Africa. Why am I described as crazy? Because I see God in us. I smell Him in the wind. Yes, I see heaven. We are born almost heaven here. I seen Him that day on the New River. We are beautiful people from hollers and trailer parks and projects. I am crazy because I am loud. I speak my mind, stand for what's right. I believe in astrology and God. I believe I am my brother's keeper. That if Jesus was here, I would kiss Him right in the mouth. I am crazy. And it brings me pleasure to hear laughter and hold a person's hand. So yes, I am crazy, thrown off, nuts, bonkers, and I gladly accept this description of me. But I never, ever, will ever be called mean, fake, ugly, unkind, selfish, full of malice, ungodly, hateful, deceitful, rude. So please, please, please call me crazy, because I am crazy, funny and real, crazy, love and loyal, crazy, strong and smart, crazy, crazy, crazy. You know, Tuesday, she's so crazy.